Funny idioms. Funny idioms can be used in a variety of ways in everyday life. Funny idioms are a great way to explain and teach about daily life to a foreign English speaker. They are often used to explain things that are funny or to make things more interesting. They can also be used as resources in foreign languages class when discussing real-world examples. To help you improve your fluency, here are 10 of the most commonly used expressions and their meanings. Idiom number 1. Look like mutton dressed as lamb. Look like mutton dressed as lamb. The meaning of the idiom is a middle-aged or old woman dressed in a style suitable for a much younger woman. For example, she looks like a mutton dressed like a lamb. Idiom number 2. Tomatoes on your eyes. Tomatoes on your eyes. The literal translation of this idiom is, you have tomatoes on your eyes. What it means is that you cannot see what everyone else sees or that you are completely unaware of a situation, and it refers to real objects, not abstract things. Idiom number 3. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. This idiom is used to tell someone to stop and consider their decision or opinion carefully. You can say like this, just hold your horses. Idiom number 4. For donkey's years. For donkey's years. This idiom is used to tell a very long time. You can say someone like this, she's been in the same job for donkey's years. Idiom number 5. Head in the clouds. Head in the clouds. The meaning of the idiom is daydreaming or absent-minded, being unaware of what is going on and not being actively aware of your present situation, thinking in an illogical or delusional manner. For instance, you can say, most of the time she is having her head in the clouds. Idiom number 6. As thick as two short planks. As thick as two short planks. The meaning of the idiom is very stupid. You can say for someone like this, he's a very skilled football player but he's as thick as two short planks. Idiom number 7. There is not much between the ears. There is not much between the ears. The idiom's meaning is to be rather stupid, dull, or dim-witted, to not have much common sense or basic intelligence. For someone, you can use this idiom like this. She seems nice enough, but I get the sense that there might not be much between the ears. Idiom number 8. She's one sandwich short of a picnic. She's one sandwich short of a picnic. The expression, one sandwich short of a picnic, can be used in a humorous way to refer to someone who is crazy or stupid. For example, John is one sandwich short of a picnic. He gave up a job in a big bank to live in a caravan. Idiom number 9. To be the meat in the sandwich. To be the meat in the sandwich. The expression, to be the meat in the sandwich, means to be in a difficult position, as the person between two others that are arguing. It can be suitable in a situation like this, my brother and my sister are fighting over, who got our late mother's cat. I'm the meat in the sandwich, as usual, stuck in the middle. Idiom number 10. I'll be a monkey's uncle. I'll be a monkey's uncle is an expression used to indicate surprise, astonishment, amazement, shock, and sometimes disbelief. I'll be a monkey's uncle. We're halfway through April and it's snowing outside. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. If you love learning idioms, phrases, and expressions.